What is up, him and his and hard shifters? This your man, him and now back with another video. Oh, Zeus ain't been breathing too good, man, so we're gonna have to go get him some Nasonex or something. Here, he crying for help. See what old Zeus are doing. Yeah, he's saying, help me, daddy, help me. Can't get on it too hard, man. You know, you got them blue boys around here. Anyway, we're gonna see if we can do something a little different. As you're seeing on the cover, I'm about to replace this air filter and drop this high airflow in there and tell you what this thing is doing. Yeah, everybody may be saying the AFE and all that, but I've been using K&N pretty much every vehicle I ever had, the washable, and I love them. You know what I'm saying? So whatever it did to your car, and you're saying this and that, maybe you need to put a catch can in your car or something, you know. But it's a K&N going into Zeus. So first thing you want to do is remove these screws. It's got a flat head. It's got a Phillips head too. So either one. It's 1, 2, 3. That's 3 all together. And then you're going to pop that hose off right there. And it should fold up. You better take the filter out. So see you back once I get these off. I did fail to mention that it's got one little clamp right there that clamps on that, so you'll have to unclamp that. So it's 3 screws. Took the hose off. Just push it back a little bit with the screwdriver. Don't split it. And then it should come right up like this. Let's see what this filter is looking like. It's always dirty on one side on everybody's video that I've seen. Let's see if mine looks like that, because this stinks in the car. Yep. It's dirty down in there, and it's dirty on one side, just like I said. Anyway, let's get this thing changed out. Go ahead and take something and wipe all of that out of there, because you don't want that going inside of your new filter. Anyway, here's the new filter. I didn't want one of those AFEs. I mean, I'm diehard K&N. I mean, I had them all the time. Yeah, I know those may be better for somebody else, but I'm kind of like CJ on 32s, man. Whatever good for your car, you know, it's good for yours. I'm not gonna knock you, please don't knock mine, but this is what I like. I like K&N. They're washable, reusable. I don't like those dry filters that last forever. Anyway, let's get ready and wipe this bad boy out, man. Look at how dirty that is. Anyway, not gonna make you watch me do this. Yeah, don't get me wrong, I'm not against AFE or anything. I'm probably gonna end up buying one of those too, because I usually try to keep 2 filters on hand whenever I got filters that I clean. I usually buy 2 of the same. So whenever I'm washing one, I can let the other one set up and dry in oil, and the oil soak through it while I'm doing the other one. So I may buy one of those AFEs and then do a comparison to it in another video. But for right now, the first thing I'm going with is this K&N. So let's see what this thing can do, guys. All right, so we got that dude all cleaned out. That's not dust on this one. That's just that little rubber thing, man. That stuff is just stuck on there. If it is dust, I don't know, but it won't come off. Anyway, we got the box cleaned out. Let's get ready to put this filter in there. You see, here's the new filter. It comes pre-oiled inside of plastic, so the oil won't escape. It's already red. The way that you know that these things are dirty, they'll turn gray, like a really light gray, dingy looking color. Then it's time to wash them out. You buy the K&N wash. And I think that stuff is just basically like brake fluid or something that you spray on. I mean, brake cleaner that you spray on there and clean it, but it just comes in a different bottle. And then the other stuff is like transmission fluid that you just barely put right here on the ridges and let it soak in, and then it's ready. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and drop this sucker in. That'll be another video. All right, so we got it dropped in. I bought this one from AutoZone. And if you go on Retail Me Not, no, I'm not sponsored by them or anything. So, you know, anyway, if you go on that little app, man, they got a $10 coupon off. This was like $51. And the other one I was going to buy was like 40 anyway. So with the coupon, this one was 40. So, you know, just a heads up, man. I like to save money. I don't like to be cheap with my car, but I like to save money and I like to buy what I like. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this thing started up, man. See what it sounds like on a cold start with the new air filter. And then we'll get some pulls in it. And I'll tell you whether this thing is making a difference or not. All right, we got everything buttoned back up now, man. We got Zeus, a new nebulizer. He can breathe a little bit better. Let's see what this thing will do, man. Let me go ahead and hit you with a not so cold start, but you know, with the new filter in there, let's see what it's like. Oh man, it's louder. Bruh. It's louder than it was before, man. Let's let this thing run for a few minutes, let the computer catch up with it with the new airflow. And I'll see you here back in just a minute. This thing is bananas, boy. It's jumping up there quick. I don't need you to believe me. I just need you to go try it for yourself, man. It's up to you. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but hey, this filter is off the chain. Yeah, man, so after that muffler delete and then putting that high flow air filter in there, man, the car has opened up. I mean, it sounds totally different than what it did at first. You have to be on the inside of here or either be right beside me or on the outside in order to actually hear what it sounds like. I mean, it's got quicker throttle response and everything. I mean, I say give it a go. It's up to you though, but I'd rather for you to find out for yourself. Hear me now, signing out.